In exam, if you keep writing, see the main motto of take it as a homework, foundation should be very, so far so good. Now put all your concentration. No, this is not wrong. Adding only the like-minded. What do you mean by like-minded? In the kitchen they'll do, right? They'll slice the vegetables. Check, 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 check. I have already told you regarding zero, you have to study additions with done. Your check is done. This is very useful for you when you are writing bank challan. Not all dollars are equal. Million, billion, trillion. I'll tell you one more thing which I did not tell in the Telugu medium class. Now I'll teach you subtractions. Cut it and you see inside what do you get? Lemon squeezy. You know, easy to see lemon squeezy. 70 will donate. In subtractions, how do you verify whether answer is correct or not? Then don't go to exam at all. Whenever you are bitten by snake, shalalala. Do you do like this? It's the wrong way. Hello winners, a warm welcome to your channel Study with Youth Officer. Today we'll start additions. Additions. Hope you have read positive numbers and negative numbers as well. I hope all the concepts are clear with you. Okay. Today we are going to additions. Always remember additions. Additions are main thing in maths. That's what define maths. Okay. They are very powerful. Many people gets confused during additions. During simplification, adding different kind of numbers becomes very tidy task, very tedious task. Okay, that's why you should be very careful with additions. Many people doesn't want to do it all additions, but actually additions are very easy if you learn them in a proper way. Okay, I'm going to teach you some more methods to make it very easy. I'll go from very basics and we'll see one digit number, two digit number, three digit number, and how different combinations will help you to grow with the maths. Okay, chalo come. If you add one digit number, okay, let us take 2 and 3. In a traditional way, how do you add two numbers? You take two fingers and 3 fingers, then you start counting. You can start from counting 3 numbers here, 4, 5. Okay, this is how you count. Or you take with 2 numbers, then you say this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5. Okay, so both way you can add, this becomes 5. Always remember, you have to add all the digits, like single, whatever the digits we are using, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to use all these digits and add them different combinations. Let us take 2, 9. You have to keep adding. You have to take 6, 7 or 6, 9. You have to keep adding different numbers. This number with this number, this number, this number. When someone asks you like 7 plus 2, how much is that? Immediately you have to reply 9. You should not wait for your fingers like 7, then 8, 9. Like that you should not wait. You should straight away tell the answer. Otherwise, you will not be in a position to do the additions in an effective way. Okay. In the exam, if you keep writing like 9 plus 6 is equal to 9, 6, then you keep adding, it will become 15. Then all your time is gonna get wasted. Most of the things, the people who crack exam, see the main motto of you preparing for this exam is to crack the exam, right? Not to do PhDs or to write, written answers and all that. All the procedure, no one give a damn about what you're going to, what process you have followed. No one's gonna ask you that. The only thing they are gonna see is whether you got the answer or not. Doesn't matter how you got, how much time you have taken is very important. The less time you take, you save some time and you put the time in other questions. That's our main motto. Okay, that's why you have to practice, practice, practice. That's what you're supposed to do. Now you're going to add single digit numbers and you have to practice all the combinations I have told you. Take it as a homework and keep practicing. Don't underestimate. You will become very lazy. People will start chasing about big concepts, shortcuts and all that. You're gonna fail like that. If you're gonna chase the shortcuts and big methods, big sums, no. These small methods will build you very big. Foundation should be very strong. However beautiful the building is, one day it's gonna fall. Okay, you have to trust me. Okay, right now I have seen the single digit number. Now I'll teach you two digit number. 4 5. If you want to add these two numbers, if you are you don't know anything, okay, how do you add? Do you add from the left side? No, I already told you, whenever you are representing any number 2 3 2 4, or if you want to add 36 to this, you add on the right side itself. You write from the right. If it is a letter, word, winner, you write it from the left side. So that's why you, whenever you are representing even additions also, you have to start from the right side itself. Okay, now we add these two. 2 plus 5 7. Now 3 plus 4 7. This is what becomes the two digited. If you go with the three digited, 5 6 0 2 1 7, how do you add them? 0 plus 7 7, 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 2 7. This is how your answer comes. Okay, you always starts from the right side. You always start from the right side and you start adding it. Simple, nice, easy. Chalo. Now I'll take you to one more level now. So far so good? Okay, I will take you, if you want to add different digited number, like 3 digited number with 2 digited number, how do you add? Oh, they have given 364 plus some 27. How do you add them? They will give you like this, and they'll give you one dash, or they'll ask sometimes question mark they'll put. Okay, you have to add them in such a way. 3 6 4. First of all, you learn whatever I am saying. Okay, you can start calculating in your brain later on. First you have to physically start calculating with your hand. Then later I'll teach you how to do direct additions or subtraction, even the multiplication with your brains. Okay, now put all your concentration here on the sum. 264 plus 27, right? First you add from this side. Okay, you add 4 plus 7. How much is this? 11. So where will you put the 11? Do you put here 11? Then 6 plus 2 8. 3. No, this is not wrong. This is not how you do. So then how do you do? 364 you write here and you write the 27. Whatever you are getting, 4 plus 7, okay, there is 11. Now you put 1, this is called carry. Carry you put either, sometimes in some states or some places they use, you put 1 here, or some places 11 they put here. Either ways, the thing is that you have to solve the problem. Okay, whatever the method is easy for you, please do that. Anyways, the answer will be same. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9, 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 2 9. This is 3, this is 3. Well, nice, right? It's very good, right? But here we are not adding 27 to 300. No, we are not adding like that. What we are doing is, we are adding the like-minded We are adding only the like-minded. What do you mean by like-minded? Right? We only add unit digit to unit digit. Unit to unit. We add 10th place to 10th place. 100 place to 100 place. Right? So far so good? Huh? Okay. Then here there is no 100 place, but we have added this. How this is possible? You may ask me, right? What would I do right now is, I'll just slice down this 364. I'll just see. Always remember in maths, the more you divide the number, the clearer the view will always be. You have to divide. Make sure you divide. Always, mostly dividing number into different parts. Okay, you put them into slice. In the kitchen they'll do, right? They'll slice the vegetables. The same way, you have to slice down the number until put the parts like this, like a what is exhibition. Then you get the clearer view. That's what you're supposed to do. I think you have to learn that skill. Okay, I'll teach you. This 364 is there. Okay, how do you represent 364? 364, right? This is first of all unit digit place. This is 100 digit place. Sorry, 10th digit place. This is 100 digit place. That means 3 into, I already told you, place value. This 3 value is 3 into 100, 300 is place value. You keep it there. This 60 value is 6 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Unit digit is 1 only, so that's why we take only 1. I'll just erase it from here so that to avoid any confusion in the future. So 4 into 1. Till here, fine, right? This is how you represent 364. Now, I'll take 27. Teaching with this very small one is very challenging, but I want to see how it ends. This is the 4th lecture with this. 27. 27, you have 2 into 10. 2 into 10, right? Plus, this 7 is there. 7 into 1. Till here it is perfect. But there is no 100 place for this. How do you do that? I have already told you regarding 0, whenever any digit is there, like 52, you take a number 52. If you put how many digits, does it change the value of the number? No. What did I tell you? If you put any zeros on the right side, then it will start increasing the value of the number. If you put on the left side, it will not change. Like that, we take a 0 here. Only we require 1 0 because here we require 1. If there is some 1000 place also, you may put one more 0. Now, its hundreds place will always be there. 0 into 100 plus. Now you see, now you add the like-minded. As I already told you, you take the like-minded right now. 4 into 1 is 4. I'll write it separately, okay. This is 300 first place value plus 60 plus this 4. Now this is 0 plus 2 into 10, 20 plus 7 into 1, 7. Okay. Now, when you add 4 plus 7, what is the answer? It is 11, right? 11 means, how do you represent 11? 11 is 1 into this one 10 plus 1. Here, actually this is an unit digit. 4 and 7 are unit digits. When you add them, new property is coming to the answer. that is 10th digit is coming, mean 10th place digit is coming in that. It doesn't require that. I told you like-minded will stay in the same place. In this, what is the unit digit? 1. 1 belongs to unit digits. This 10, this 1, the place value which I taught you. See, every basic whatever I am teaching you, I will use in the next lecture. Next lecture to next lecture. So always be careful whatever I am teaching. Learn it thoroughly. Okay. Fine. 1 into 10 plus 1. So here it is the 1 is the unit digit. That's why we take 1 here. The 1, this one doesn't, it belongs to 10th digits. That's why you should put this 1 to the place where it belongs. That is what is 10th digits. That's why we put that 1 here. That's how we put one more 1 here. This is, now hope you got it, right? This is how the 10th digit 1, that means almost 10. This is 10, we put it here. We add, this is 60 plus 20, 80, 80 plus 10, 90. 90 means when you put it in the 10th place, no need to put that 0, you just put 9. And now 300 plus 0, this is 300. When you put it in the place value, it becomes 3. This is the answer. Hope everything is clear, right? This is how whenever you get any carry and different digited number, you add in this way. Hope everything is good with you and everything is clear. This is what the basics in addition starts. There are some more. Whenever you are studying these additions, okay, you have to study additions with subtractions always. You have to study multiplications with divisions. They both are like-minded, multiplications and divisions. Okay, and then this additions and subtractions are, they are on the same path, like similar properties they have. You have to read them similar way. Now so far so good, right? Whenever I am writing anything, you please make a proper notes of it. Until and unless, however awesome lectures are there, however nice lectures are there, until and unless you are going to practice, nothing's gonna change, my friends. Please do practice additions. Okay, whenever you any number if I write, how do you directly read them? Let us take, I write a number 6, 7, 5, 2, 1, 8. When I write a number, how do you read it directly? How do you say it's a 6 lakhs or 67,000 or it is a 6,000 or 67 lakhs? How do you know a number? Whenever you are taking, it all depends on this left side digit. Always remember the left side digit and just mark it and leave it here. You just leave it here and count number of digits after this. There are 5 digits. 5 digits whenever you get, 5 digits whenever you get it, you have to equate it with number of zeros. Number of zeros, you equate with them. How do you equate with the number of zeros? What do you mean by number of zeros? If you take anything 1 0, this is what we call 10. This 10 has 1 0. If you take 100, you will have 2 zeros. If you take 1000, you will have 3 zeros. It's very difficult. Last button, please bear with me. If you take 10,000, there will be how many zeros? 4, zeros. Done. Your check is done. Chalo, no more games here. Till now you understood, I feel, right? 10,000 has. If you take 1 lakh, it has 5 zeros. If you take 10 lakhs, it has 6 zeros. If you take 1 crore, you have 7 zeros. If you take 10 crore, I'll tell you till 100 crore, you have 8 zeros. If you take 100 crore, you have 9 zeros. Right? That means number of digits equal to number of zeros. Number of zeros means number of digits. Here how many are there? 5. That means how you have to read is 6. 5 zeros are there, so you read it as 6 lakhs. After that, after 7 how many you have? 4. 4 means 4 zeros are 10,000. That means 7 into 10,000, 70,000. 75,000. That is 75,000. This is very useful for you when you are writing bank challans or writing numbers in words. That's why I am telling you, okay? You write not 6, you write it in words. 6 lakhs. 6 lakh only you write usually, not lakhs you don't mention. 6 lakh, singular we mention always. 75,000, thousands we don't write, 1,000 you write, not plural, okay? 75,000, till here it's finished. Now 200, whenever you are writing 200 and you have to write 200 and 18. This is how you write a number in word format. That means this is how you are planning to read the number. Okay. But in India, usually whatever we follow certain methodology to read a number. Whenever you have like 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Let us take the example of okay, I'll reduce 1 0. Okay, now whenever we read, first we put comma in a number. How do you put a comma? After first 3 we put 1 comma. After every 2 we put 1 more comma. If you take 1000 crore, this is 1 crore because it has 7 zeros, it is 1 crore. If I take 1000 crore, 1000 this is, crore means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How do you put comma? First 3 you put, after first 3 1 comma, next after 2 1 more comma, after 2 1 more comma, that's it. These two things will end here. After that, if you take 1 lakh crore also, then you write 1 lakh like that only. Then 1 lakh, this is 1 lakh, then you write crores. This is how you write. Till here itself you write. But when it comes to foreign countries, I'll teach you how they write. Usually their currency will be dollars. Let us take US dollars. Not all dollars are equal. US has one type of dollar, Australia has other type of dollars. Okay, whenever you are seeing a dollar, that means mostly people are talking about US dollars. What dollar symbol is? This is the dollar symbol. Sometimes some people put 2, but anyways, usually we write dollar symbol like this. And what about the rupee symbol? Now the rupee symbol has changed into, this is Hindi R Ra, and then you write it like this. This is our symbol. Hope you got it. This is pound, right? What is euros? Euro symbol will be similar way. Hope you got it. But after every two numbers you put a comma, but when it comes to like foreign countries, if you take after one 6 zeros, if you take after one 3, okay. In foreign countries, they don't represent the way we represent in India. They represent it differently. After every 3 they put a comma. Here after 3 comma. Here also after 3 1 comma. Again after 3 1 comma. After 3 1 comma. Here after 3 1 comma. Here 1 comma. Here 1 comma. Here 1 comma. How do you read them? This is what they call 1 million. You might have seen millionaires, like they have millionaires, like they have they mention in dollars. Okay, it is not rupees. You have to know whenever you are converting US dollar. Let us take $1 million means it's not 1 million means almost this is. If you write it in India, how do you represent this? 6 zeros means first here, after 2 one more. That means these 5 are lakhs, this is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. But if they say $1 million means not 10 lakh rupees. 10 lakh into, if there is a 80 rupees dollar or 70 rupees, you just multiply it with that, then you get the price. Hope you got it. Okay. If you multiply this $1 million, whenever they mention dollars, into 80, then you get the rupees. These are, how many zeros are here? 6 zeros. That means million has 6 zeros. What about this? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 zeros. This is called 1 billion. This is not Flipkart Big Billion Day, okay? Big Billion Day, have you seen? This is what? 1 billion has 9 zeros. How many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. This is called 12 zeros. These are called 1 trillion. I hope you all remember this. Okay. 1 trillion, if you put in our Indian standards, how do you put the commas? After first 3 you put 1 comma, again after 2, till here you reach crores. How many crores this is? 1 lakh. 1 lakh crore. 1 trillion means 1 lakh crore. This is how we represent in Indian system. Hope you are comfortable with reading a number, how the notations there in the foreign countries, because sometimes you will get used to them. Okay, you may read the news. See, this not only, don't think of only maths. Maths will be included in every of your subject. Whenever you are mentioning data in your economics or you are writing something else, you need to mention somewhere some number. Always maths will help you to do that in an effective way. You talk at the percentages. This is the percentage of crime happening in India, or this is the percentage of accidents happening in India, or something else. This is the GDP growth is in these percentages. We do imports in percentage. We pay in dollars. So like that, foreign reserves, whatever it is, whatever you talk, everything will be in dollars sometimes, or you write it in different numbers, number. Everything is a number game. Okay. Till here I hope you are clear with the notations. How do you read a number? Okay, because when the addition comes, sometimes I'll tell you one more thing. I'll tell you one more thing which I did not tell in the Telugu medium class, because in Telugu whenever I am explaining them, some point I just remember that. Okay, if you take 2-digit number, let us take some 32 and 54. 2-digit number, this is also 2-digit number. If you add 6, 8, you get 2-digit number. Let us take one more example, 32, but I change it into 94. Now you add them, both of them. 2 plus 4, 6, 3 plus 9, 12. This is 2-digit number, this is 2-digit number, this is 3-digit number. See the difference. Not always you get, if you add 2-digit, answer may not be 2-digit always. Sometimes it may be 3-digit. You please note it down. Very, very, very important point to you. Okay, till here fine. I hope you are got some idea regarding additions, right? Now I'll teach you subtractions. Keep the heading subtractions. Subtractions are disguised. Disguised means they put some mask. They were different, like different form they are in. Indirectly, they are disguised as additions are disguised as subtractions. Means inside, if you cut it with a knife, subtractions, and you open it inside, if you see, cut it and you see inside, what do you get? Additions. It is a form of addition. Okay, how do you do that? If I say some 5 number, 5 always I take 5. I don't know why. I just love 5. I don't know why. 5 is my lucky number. Lucky number, yes, my lucky number. 5 minus 3 if you take. What is an answer? What is the answer of this? You know, everyone knows it's 2. How did it come? As I already told you, 5 means this is a cash in your wallet. Cash in your wallet. 3 is debt. You owe to someone. You have to pay them. 3. Okay. You have 5 rupees. You have 5 rupees in your pocket or the wallet. Okay. You have 5 rupees in your wallet and you have 3 rupees you have to pay. So you take that 5 rupees and you take from that you take 3 rupees and give it to them. How much will be left in your hand? Just 2 rupees. So this is what it is. 5 rupees means what? 3 rupees plus 2 rupees. You can write it like that, right? You would just give him your 3 rupees. Gone. Then what is left? 2. This is your answer. And let me keep this way. Okay. One more thing is that if I write minus 5, minus 3, what is the answer? You don't see it as a negative or positive and all that. Simple. Cash in the wallet or debt, how much you have to pay. Here 5 rupees debt is there with one person. You have 3 rupees debt with one more person. How much debt is there totally? This is with 5 with one person, right? 3 rupees with one more person. Total how much debt you have? 8. 8 completely is a debt. So first you write 8. This is a debt, not a cash in your wallet. So you put minus in front of it. That's done. Easy. One more example I'll put. Where should I put here? I'll just take a space here and I'll explain you. What if you have more debt and less cash in your wallet? How do you write that? You have 5 rupees debt. You have 3 rupees in your wallet. That means whenever debt is more, see, if you have more cash, you can close the loan whatever you have taken. You close this loan, and how much is there? Still you are left with 2 rupees. But here loan is more. Loan is 5 rupees and you only have 3 rupees. You just put that money here, but still there will be some debt left always. That means more debt. Whenever situation is like this, forget about this. First you write the big number here, then you write the small number. You just subtract. After subtracting, whatever is the big number, here or here, let us take here situation and there also I have taken situation. So here 5 has positive, here 3 has negative. Bigger number, smaller number, and then you subtract them. How much is the answer? 2. Then what do you do is, what is the symbol of bigger number? Minus, right? You put minus here. bigger number has minus. Here bigger number has plus, smaller one has minus. So bigger one has 5 plus symbol, so that's why you put plus. Here the case is different. They both are same, like 5 plus 3. They both are same. Then no need of putting symbol or putting or subtracting them. You no need to subtract here because they both are same. As both are loans, you just add them and make a bigger loan. This is a bigger total amount. You give it to person 1 5 rupees, friend 1 or person 2 you take 3 rupees. Total you have taken 8 rupees you have to pay. If I give you 8 rupees to this, then you pay them completely and you have no debts at all. This is how you clear it off. Got it? Or if you have 5 rupees in your wallet and 3 rupees in your wallet, total you have 8. Now I'll summarize them. First one is 5 rupees in your cash, wallet, cash in your wallet, and 3 rupees again you have, someone has given you. It is there in your wallet only. 5 rupees you have, 3 rupees you have. How much is total? 8 rupees you have. Second one, if you have 5 rupees but you have a loan to clear 3 rupees, that means you pay 3 rupees from this and still you are left with 2 rupees. Third one, you have more loan and you have less cash in your wallet. So you pay this cash loan and still you are left with 2 rupees loan. Fourth one is, you have 5 rupees loan with one person and then you have 3 rupees loan with somebody else. Total you have 8 rupees loan. Hope you understand this. Clear with the terminology and the signs and everything. Never get confused. So far, so it's very easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You know, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That means something is very easy. Easy. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay. Hope you got till here, right? Now, please note it down. Please note it down. Now, I'll go to the next part of the subtraction. How do you subtract? Now, till now I have told you about single digit subtractions. We'll go with the 2 digit subtractions. Let us take 57 minus 21. How do you write this? You write 57 here and exactly 21 here. Then you subtract them. 7 minus 1 you also do from the right side itself. 7 minus 1 6, 5 minus 2, whenever you are doing subtraction you put a minus here. Okay, 5 minus 2 3. Whenever you are subtracting the bigger number, larger number which has that sign only you will get. So 36 is the answer. So far so good, right? How do you do with a 2 digit number? Let us take 68 minus 6 minus 5 I will give you. How do you, someone gives you like this, what is the answer they ask you? Then you write 68 here, this 5 here. Okay, then when you are doing subtraction, this has plus value, this has minus value, right? 8 minus 5, 3. What is here? Nothing is there. I already told you, additions happen for the like-minded. Even subtraction also happen for the like-minded. Now, there is nothing doesn't mean that you can put always 0 here. Got it? Now, 6 minus 0. How much is 6? This is how you do for 2 digit or 1 digit. More digited to less digited. This is how you represent. Till here good? Okay. One more. I'm just erasing them. Okay. And I'll give you one more example. How do you do that? 71 43. How do you do this kind of subtractions? You have to do the subtraction. They give you like this, 71 minus 43. How much? I told you have to do from the right side. Now 1 minus 3. Can you do 1 minus 3? It's not possible. You have to do, it should be a larger digit, then you reduce the lesser digit. Then what will happen to this? This is what we borrow. We borrow something from this side to here. How much you borrow? This place value is 70. 70, right? This is 1. Place value is very important. That will help you in subtractions or additions anyway. Okay, the basics are very important. See here, that will play a major role right now. 71. How do you make? From this value is 70. If you want something, it will go only donate in tens because their behavior is 10 behavior. 70 will donate 10 to that. And how much will be left here? 60 will be left. Oh, 6, because no need to write 60. It's already in 10th place. Automatically you know that this is 60. Okay, it gives how much? 10. How much this has become now? 11, right? Oh, this has become 11. 11 minus 3 how much? 8. Now 6 is there. 6 minus 4 is 2. Clear? Good. We'll do one more example. Still confused? Come here. How much should I take? 60 to 62 to 37 I'll take. Okay, 37 I'll take. 2 minus 7 we can't do. Here this value is 60. It will become 50. And it will donate 10 to this. Then this will become 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Answer is 25. In subtractions, how do you verify whether answer is correct or not? How do you know this answer is correct or not? Whenever you have done subtractions, okay, you just add this answer to the previous one. Add it. So you add 25 to 37. How do you add? 2, 5, 3, 7. You add them. 5 plus 7, 12, 1. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Did you get this? Then your answer is correct. Clear? This is how you have to verify your answers as well. You have to do, you cannot trust your methods because how many efforts you put. Sometimes in the exam tension, pressure and all that, you will forget the digits. Sometimes you will not remember 5 here. You still do. See, I'll show you the example. Same example. Here I have cut it and put it as a 5. Okay. Some people don't have this habit. Directly they will say, from here I have taken 10 borrowed. This will become 10. 10 minus 7. How much is this? I mean 12. 12 minus 7. This is 5. Then here after giving 1, here there will be 5, but they will not consider it as a 5. They'll mistakenly by mistake they'll take on this as a 6. 6 minus 3 they'll do and they'll say 35. Yeah, option 35 is their answer correct. But if you re-verify, cross-verify it, that 35 if you add to 37, 12, 1, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 72, but this is 62. Then what's the point of you solving in an exam? Then don't go to exam at all. What's the point of you? You are cheating yourself. You should not only doing that, you should know it's like venom and anti-venom. Whenever you are bitten by snake, that's not the problem. To be bitten by mistake or intentionally, your own mistake or a snake mistake, doesn't matter. immediately you don't know, you don't want to blame anyone. Okay, what you want right now is to save from the situation. What do you need? You need antivenom. You take antivenom, get treated, then go with your investigation, whether it is snake mistake or the person's mistake, whatever it is. Immediate is that you have to save your life, you have to get a job. That is the main point. Hope you understood this subtraction. I will take one more example which may confuse you, many people. 9, 0, 3, okay, then 247. How do you subtract this? It is very important. See, each and every example I am taking, it has some intention behind that. Okay, intention to teach you, to make you better. Not only what are the examples I am giving, you have to take some more example, my dear. Please come here. Okay, now I told you, see, usually how people do this, how they get confused. I'll tell you one more example. Okay, clearly I'll write the example. This example I'll take because it's very important example where you usually get confused. Okay, how do you do this example? Here, to borrow, usually last time we borrowed something, but to borrow here, there is nothing here. There is a 0 here. What would you do right now? How do you approach this answer? Then there is no debt here, doesn't mean that we stop borrowing. We go to the next house. From here we borrow. Then from here, when it gives 9, gives here 0, how much it will give? It will give 10 to this. From here, it will give again 10 to this. Okay, like this is what happened. But whenever it got 10 from here, it will become 10. Okay, 10 from here. If it is giving 10 more to this, means it will become 9. I'll tell you with an example. Here I'll just solve it. I'm just showing you this figure. Hope you already know it. Now this 903 247. Now you try to borrow from here, nothing is there. Then you go to borrow here. Then this will give 1 to this, and 1 into 1 plus 0. How much is this? Total 10 it will become. Now it has become 10. This has become 8. Now 3 directly can't borrow from here. It will ask this to borrow from here, so it borrowed 10 from here. Okay, 1 it is giving, it coming means that is 10 here. Now this 3 will borrow from this 10. If borrows from here, it will become 9 and it will give 10 here. Now this will become 10 plus 3, 13. Okay, this has become 13. 13 minus 7, how much is this? 6. Now how much is left here? 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Now here how much is left? 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 656 is the answer. Now you might be thinking that this is the correct answer or not. How do you verify? I already told you, add these two. If you get this one, then your answer is correct. 656 247. Add them. 6 plus 7, 13, 1. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Yes! Got it right. This is how you do. What I was thinking is that whenever I am telling you, I got a pause because I want to give you one more example. Like, I'll give you one more example. Not only the 0 one, what if some number is there? Not only if there is some kind of 2, 828, and you have to subtract like 340 40, how much do you do? Bigger number 9, right? I'll take a number like this. Now 8 can't remove this, subtract this 9. It needs some more power, it needs some empowerment, right? It will start taking directly from here. It will start taking from here. How much this one will become? This 2 will become 1, and if you give 1 here, this will become 10. 10 plus 8, how much is this? 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. This 1 is there. 1 minus 4 is how much is this? You cannot reduce. Already you borrowed. From here what happened? You borrowed from here, then you lent it here. But here it did not borrow from here, directly it has lent. But now it is in short of money. Now what it will do? Again it will borrow from here. When it gives 1, it will become 7. It will give 10. 10 plus already 1 is there here. This is 11. 11 minus 4, how much is this? 7. Now 7 minus 3 is 4. You might be confused whether answer is correct or not, right? Then what you have to do? You have to add these two. 4, 7, 9, 3, 4, 9. You add them, how much you have to get? 8 to 8, right? We will see. 9 plus 9, 18, 1. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 1, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8, 28. Shalalala. Got it, right? This is what we call cross verification. Whatever you have done, you got the answer. This is how you do. Indirectly, in subtractions, what you are doing? Again, you are adding. In cross verification, that means if you are subtracting two numbers, you got some answer. Indirectly, this would have been addition of these two numbers. This is the final result. Hope you are very clear with this. But if someone gives you 41 minus 72, how do you do this? You don't do this problem right now. Let me clarify this, because I may forget. If I forget, you will forget. You forget, but examiner won't forget. Right? 41, 72. What do you do right now? Then you borrow from here. This will become 3. This will become 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 3 minus 7 minus 4. Do you do like this? It's the wrong way. This is not how you do subtractions. Now someone is asking 41 minus 72 means no matter what is the symbol, you always write the bigger number, larger number here. Then you write the smaller number. You know the larger number symbol, right? Smaller number. You just subtract them. 2, 7 plus 4, 3. What is the sign you give? You give the larger number sign. This is the sign. Whether this is correct or not, you have to verify. Here itself you know. 41 minus 72. If you add this 72 plus 49, do you get 41? See, 11, 1, you get 121, not 41. This is not how you do. That's why I ask you to cross verify. Sometimes you may get confused. Now you cross verify these two. 41 plus 32, you add them. 1 plus 2, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. You got the, this is 31. 2 minus 1 is 31, right? Now that's why I asked you to cross verify. Now you add this 31 plus 41. 1 plus 1, 2, 7. Now you got the classic example. Why you have to verify, right? To avoid any confusion, you should know. Not only giving venom, you should know anti-venom also. You should know. Okay. Hope this is very clear with you. Subtractions and additions. I hope you enjoyed the class. Okay. Thank you so much. Happy learning and have a nice day.